YouTube. It's Cordell, you know. Foot Locker. Jordan box. That's perfect. No, that's perfect. I'm doing this outside. It's on my Trans Am. About to get painted, you know. I'm kind of sick, so sinus, you know. My car over there. But you know what it is. Okay, we got your Wolf Grey 5's. It's like, it's a different shoe. I mean, it's like, I don't know. Like right here look good, but if you get close up on it, I don't know. Hopefully it show on this camera. I ain't got the best camera in the world, but it is what it is. You got your little speckled white teeth. You know you got the blue ice bottom, the whole blue ice bottom. Lace lock. Clear with the white. The 3M white Jumpman. White insole with the gray Jumpman. The gray 23 with the white outliner. Now you got your netting, it's clear. Also netting on the song, which is clear. Clear right here also. Your insole is gray. Got your white Jumpman. Got your Air Jordan, you know. But I ain't gonna front, this shit is icy as hell, but that shit is going yellow. Like quick, as soon as you start wearing them. If you wear them outside, they gonna yellow. And most people tell me the best way, because there's like, you might as well take your shoe out the paper because the paper was turning yellow and stuff also. No need to pull it out. But yeah, the material on his, I mean, in a way, the suede is kind of nice, but that wrinkle shit, I don't know. So, it is what it is. Last look. I'm out of here, peace. I got some more shoes that I already had, but you know me. I don't really, it's been a while since I put a video on YouTube. This is the release date. I waited for the release date because I know I can get them easy around here. If I wanted it, I would have been had the shoe, but I don't even know if I want this pair or not, so it is what it is. For right now, it's mine, but if I find somebody who want to buy them, that can't buy them, they will be for sale. Most likely I got a boy who at work right now, my boy Floyd. And I drew looking out for him, but I don't know, I'm about to hit him up. I'm about to let him know what's up with the shoe. I might sell it to him. I might keep it, who knows. Might get another pair, who knows. It is what it is. Nothing special, you know.
Hey, you looking in the mirror. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Bitch, I was born a ball. Why y'all took the summer off? My money did a somersault. Backflips, cartwheels, Carolina Tar Heel. Ain't no nigga touching my style. It got a force field. Magneto blew up like a torpedo. The view from my condo be making hoes say Nito. game strong like the arm on Marino. I stack Cheetos and Doritos like casinos. Fresh to death like I'm buried in a tuxedo. At times I look in the mirror to boost my fucking ego. I say it's your world, cold world to be exact. With a flow that's so thorough, no sir, you can't reenact, nigga.
150 on my chain, ballin', but it's not a game. High, that's why they call us planes. All the bitches know my name. I take them home, fuck or get high, and never call again. Now my niggas all the same, now that's what you call a gang. $100,000 and that's on champagne. Bitches choosing their excuses, my new car's to blame. Wanna dump a nigga, fuck a nigga with a lot of fame. Don't want nothing from a nigga, he all kinds of lame. Try doing what I'm doing, but you out of range. Niggas taking shots, don't know how to aim. Don't know about you, but I see a real nigga when I'm looking in the mirror. Put some diamonds in my ear, motherfucker.
I'm on fire, hood blazing. Hustle game incredible, bass game amazing. Look in the mirror, look in the mirror.
What up, yo, Gotti? She young nigga, young Khalifa.
Look in the mirror, mirror.